just me and you. Sandy beaches, waves so high. Summer love, let's touch the sky. Dance, dance in the summer heat. Feel the rhythm, move your feet. Sun and sand is so sweet. Summer days can't be beat. Palm trees swaying, breeze so light. Party all day, dance all night. Feel the sunshine, feel the glow. Summer vibes, just let it flow. Dance, dance in the summer heat. Feel the rhythm, move your feet. Sun and sand is so sweet. Summer days can't be beat. Palm trees swaying, breeze so light. Party all day, dance all night. Feel the sunshine, feel the glow. Summer vibes, just let it
Ila-edad ni Lolong namatay.
dance, dance in the summer heat. Feel the rhythm, move your feet. Sun and sand is so sweet. Summer days can't be beat.
Say hi to
Let
Brada.
the music take control. Feel the magic in your soul. Summertime will feel it.
Kinsa yung grandfather?
Dance with me by the
Si
sea.
Lolong ang grandfather ni Langga.
Dance, dance in the summer heat. Feel the rhythm, move your feet. Sun and sand is so sweet. Summer days can't be beat. Dance, dance in the summer heat. Feel the rhythm, move your feet. Sun and sand is so sweet. Summer days can't be beat.
Galago mo. Nagkaon mo mas Junjun. Ha? Just like you when you eat popcorn? Hi daw. Lingon siya hi loy. Hi siya. Hi. Wala ko pa video. Hi. Hi. Madulak. Hi Junjun. Ina Junjun. Friendly si Junjun.
Oh, hi sa. Junjun. Ang pansinon, di mo hi. Ang di pansinon mo hi. Ha? Ha? Tigwa-duwa ra siya sir. Siya gigutom.
Gadua oh. Kana oh. Uy, lami siya oy.
Oh, Deb. Just open your palm. No, I just wanna throw it in. No.
Dili makuan. Kana anak.
Green one is the male. What about this? Wait, kay mama ako wala siya. What about the cow? Kita mo. And then we have also
This is the kakatoo.
Australian umbrella cockatoo.
Australian umbrella cockatoo.
That's the cockatoo.
Who's that? Oh,
That one, the green one.
no, who's the
Oh, you can say the peacock. What is the gender of the peacock? It is male or female? No, it's male.
Lala, 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 sa ulo ka na. Oh, tabang diri, ma'am. Ma'am.
Wala. Nangaon na puto. Puto ni ko. Wala na, no more.
Pwede na pa ka
Oh.
Kanin na, sir. Sunflower seeds, sir.
Look, daddy, oh. Why? Wow, that's nice. Ma'am. Oh, ma'am.
Wow! Don't be scared.
I want. Oh, it's one down.
You want some on your head? You sit down, kuya, so that it will land on your head.
Laki ning duha.
You want to feed them, kuya?
There's a macaw and a cockatoo.
Huh?
There's a macaw and a cockatoo.
Where?
We have also the sand cleaner parrot baby. Look, oh. Their color is it looks like the sand. Here, open your palm and you.
Hilwa nila.
Oh, good job, kuya.
Panita na nila. It's a good thing to practice like the pigeons. Can feed the pigeons later.
But still eating. It's still full.
How about the other one? Okay, he's done. It's a boy, no?
It's a boy because there's a ring.
Very good. You're listening.
Try.
So the Indian ring-necked parrot, ma'am and sir, is there are 4 colors: the yellow,
Ah.
green, blue, and white.
Bisa akong mahibalan, green ra jud. Ayaw, boy, iya.
Ring-necked parrot. So the Indian ring-necked parrot is we can identify their gender based on their neck. As you can see the difference. Look, baby. What's the difference?
What's the difference?
The other one is long while the other one is short.
Yeah, no. Look at their neck. Their neck. Look at their neck. Red, and this one is diba? Green, and then no ring. So it means that this is the male and this is the female. Yeah. So you can feed this one the sunflower seeds because this is the food of the parrot.
Sila na ni kayo skin siya.
Muna yung pinaka-oldest one, sir. 12 years old na siya. Which of one?
May pamatuna.
Mga buhay na manok na eh. Yes.
Hi, friend.
Dapat buhay.
Aha, man siya padung.
Ayan to ba?
Give me that.
Okay.
Ang house na mo dili, ma'am and sir, is magulitan ninyo. Kinaana dyan silang mga tao. Okay, so, when we talk about python, they are friendly and non-venomous. So don't be afraid you want to catch.
Listen, listen.